The Jumble plugin can be used to select by percentage and by volume. So here I'm going to make a selection set of all the trees and plants. At the moment it is randomly selecting these based on the percentage. So you can sort of scroll through and change the random seed. Now I'm going to move over to the small volume and actually adjust that to only select the tiny objects in the scene, such as grasses. I can scale that up to make a wider selection, or I can move over and swap to the large volume. And with this, I'm just going to select the trees, for example. So we scale that up. So that's just selected the trees. I can now come down to the random transformation and start transforming just the trees themselves.